We're going to take a look at a Chevy Cruze. We're going to take a look at this to see how the battery's doing and the alternator. We take a look at this down here. It says it's charging the battery at 14.8 volts. That's pretty good. So we know the alternator's working. So why did the car not start this morning? Let's turn it off. Let's take a look and see what the battery is sitting at without the alternator running. Ten 10.7, 10.6. So it seems to be low. It should be at 12 volts. Signs that we need to get a new battery. Well, one good thing is we know the alternator's working really well. Let's get a new battery. Let's see if it makes any difference. Don't want to get stuck out in the middle of nowhere. Well, let's just see what the battery's putting out now. We just replaced the battery. Hopefully it was charged when we got it at the store. Oh, let's there we go. We're sitting at 11.9 right out of the store. It's probably not completely fully charged. It's been sitting in the store for a long time probably. Much better than 10.5. $12.9, 13.9. Alternator's charging, 14.7. We're good to go. Looks like our battery was getting wore out. We got a good 7 years of life out of this battery. We're lucky if you get 5. We did really good. Well, it was time for a new one. We didn't want to get stuck out in the middle of nowhere and have a dead battery. So here you go. Hopefully it helps solve your problem. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on our next repair.